Hello everyone. Now I'm going to do a problem with the dot product and the cross product. This probably is the most interesting problem I find so far in section 13.4. It's asking that if you know that the cross product of v and w is the same, and you know that the dot product of v and w is 3. Now it's asking you to find the tangent of theta, which theta is the angle between v and w. So when we know here that you have a v and you have a w, and here's a theta. You know their dot product, you know their cross product, and asking you what's the theta is. Well, your first reaction will be, well, since this is the dot, this is the cross product, let's just write the whole thing out, and this is the dot product, let's just write this whole thing out. And you'll find it's going to be really complicated, because you have here like something like v2w3 minus v3w2, and here it's just v2w2 plus v3w3, and this keeps going on, and you find this really complicated. So you can't really just solve them. You can't really solve for v or w. Then how can I do this thing? First of all, what is the cross product of v and w? Well, you may say it's the area of a parallelogram, which I can draw here. This is the magnitude. Is the magnitude of the cross product, which you can find it's square root of 2 to the square plus negative 3 to the square plus 5 to the square, which is square root of 38. So the area of this parallelogram over here, it's square root of 38. And how do you find the area of a parallelogram? We know that the magnitude of w times the magnitude of v times sine theta, which gave us this line over here. This is v times sine theta, because it's hypotenuse over opposite. So this gives me square root of 38. Now I'm putting this back, so you know now I'm rewrite this into sine of theta equals square root of 38. I'll just call this let's just call it a big Q, because these two are all magnitudes, so I just assign this as Q. So you know it's square root of 38 over Q. Now let's take a look at the dot product. Dot product v times dot w, it told you it's 3, which equals the magnitude of w times the magnitude of v times cosine of theta, because this is just a way to measure the theta, and you know that this will be equals to v1 w1 plus v2 w2 plus v3 w3, but we don't need it right now, so let's just delete this. For now, that just show you the general formula of a dot product. Since this already tells you that this is 3, you can just put 3 as this. Now, same as one I did with cross product, I now rewrite this as cosine theta. And remember why I said the magnitude of w times v, it's q, so this is q2. So you have cosine theta equals to 3 over q. And now you probably will see that since tangent theta is sine theta over cosine theta, you can just literally plug in sine theta as this, cosine theta as that, then you will find it's q over square root of 38 times 3 over q, which is 3 over square root of 38. So which means that the tangent theta is square root of 38 over 3. I actually find tangent theta without finding theta. And of course, if you want to find theta, you could just use inverse tangent of 3 over square root of 38, which I hope you all know how to do this. This is the amazing part, that you can actually find out theta just using the dot product and the cross product without even finding the theta itself. Thanks for watching.